Hello from Mississippi. It has been 10 states since my last vlog. So today we are in the bayou, Davis Bayou Campground in Mississippi, right on the Gulf Shore. It's a really great campground actually. It's a state park. There's alligators, there's turtles, lots of little nature trails. They don't have sewer hookups. So we're gonna be here for 10 days, so we'll see how that goes. We can do it. We are gonna head over to Biloxi to see the Maritime and Seafood Industry Museum. One of the maps took us to the wrong spot. I mean, it must have been like the old museum. Then we saw that somewhere else back the other way. Upon further reading, it's closed on Sundays, so I picked a bad day. So now we're just gonna go to Biloxi and see what there is to do. I forgot how the South basically shuts down on Sundays, so we're just gonna go eat. Happy Monday! So I'm here at the campground. I was gonna go run today, but it's raining. So instead I'm gonna go shopping. I'm gonna hit up I think 4 stores, maybe 5. I've never been to Kohl's, so I'm gonna try that out today. Okay, so I'm at Kohl's. They have a lot of private label stuff. They're store branded stuff, and they also have a lot of clothes, which doesn't really sell very well on Amazon. But they also have toys, and they have a lot of home appliances and home stuff. So I'm gonna go scan all that stuff and see if I can find anything. The toys is like I thought. There was nothing. So now I'm gonna head over to Ross. It's January right now. It's not really toy season because we're fresh off of December. I'm not real hopeful about Ross, but it doesn't hurt to check real fast. And then I'm gonna go to Walmart and Marshall's. Same thing with Marshall's. If I can find something great, if not, no worries. I have a lot of stuff from my shopping trip on Saturday still at the house, so I'm gonna pack all that up either today or tomorrow. So I didn't end up running because I ended up getting sick, which you can still kind of hear. Really excited because after 2.5 years, I finally got Damien to work out. So I joined a gym. We're gonna get in shape on the road.